Hello and welcome to the Teacher's Guide for the Audiotonix Steam DJ Mixer. I'm Mike, the Head of Research and Development at Digico and a part of the Stadius design team that have engineered this Steam DJ Mixer project. Our intention is to pass on some of our knowledge and experience from designing professional audio products that are used globally for large-scale events to the next generation of engineers. This is our way of giving something back. This guide is designed to equip you with everything you need to help you successfully teach students how to build the Steam DJ Mixer. I'll walk you through how to make the most of your mixer kit, offering practical advice, tips and tricks to ensure you're fully prepared to safely build the mixer in a school environment. This hands-on project was designed to engage students in both creative and technical skills, offering a fun and educational experience whilst introducing them to the world of professional audio. To ensure a safe and effective learning environment, we recommend having a teacher or technician with knowledge of electronics and design technology available to assist. With over 200 individual electronic components in each kit, having a knowledgeable person on hand will help students assemble the mixer correctly, aid with the troubleshooting of any issues, and maintain safety throughout the project. The tools you will need to build the kit are not supplied. This video will share with you all the tools you will need to successfully build a Steam mixer. Make sure before starting that you have a tidy, clean workspace, free of clutter, so that you can clearly see everything you need at each step of the instructions. We estimate that building one complete mixer from start to finish will take approximately 8 to 12 hours. Depending on the student's experience level and the pace of the class. This time frame allows for careful assembly and thorough testing. We suggest organising this as 12 one-hour or 6 two-hour sessions for optimal engagement and results. We've found that the most effective way to teach the project is to have up to 6 people per kit. This approach ensures that everyone can be actively involved throughout the build process, including tasks such as locating parts, forming parts, placing parts, checking part locations against the instruction before soldering, and trimming components. To successfully complete the build of a Steam mixer, there are several essential tools that are not included in the kit, but are required for both the electronic and mechanical assembly. Let's begin with the tools and equipment needed for the electronic assembly. Eye protection. It's crucial to wear eye protection while soldering to shield your eyes from fumes and potential solder splatter. Wearing appropriate clothing such as lab coats or aprons is highly recommended to protect yourself from any accidental splashes or burns. When selecting a soldering iron for this project, ensure it includes a stand, an integrated tip cleaner, and ideally has adjustable temperature settings. These features are essential for ensuring that soldering can be done safely and effectively. Place the soldering iron on a heat-resistant mat at all times. This helps prevent accidental burns to your workspace and reduces the risk of fire. Solder can be purchased at most hardware stores. Make sure to use lead-free solder for this project to comply with safety standards. Flux is a vital component in electronic soldering. It removes oxides, promotes wetting, enhances solder flow, and prevents reoxidation, all of which help create strong and reliable solder joints. It is possible to find solder reels with flux pre-embedded in the solder core, but flux pens are readily available at hardware stores. Wire cutters are used to trim the excess legs of components after they've been soldered. If it goes wrong, desoldering braid is a very good thing to have in your toolkit, along with a trusty solder sucker. All of these items can be purchased at most hardware stores. You'll need 2 different sizes of posi drive screwdrivers, posi 0 and posi 1, to complete the assembly of the kit, along with a 10mm spanner. Before beginning any part of the mixer kit, it's essential to read both the quick start guide and the safety instructions. Working with electronic components and tools demands careful attention to safety protocols to protect yourself and others throughout the project. So let's review the key safety guidelines to ensure a safe and successful build. Soldering irons get extremely hot and can easily cause burns or start a fire if mishandled. Always be mindful of where you place the soldering iron and never leave it unattended whilst it's on. Make sure to turn it off and allow it to cool down completely when you're finished. Soldering produces fumes that can be harmful if inhaled, so always use a fume extractor or work in a really well ventilated area to avoid breathing in the fumes. This will help protect your lungs and ensure a safer working environment. When soldering, small drops of molten solder can splatter and cause serious eye injuries. Always wear eye protection, such as safety goggles, to shield your eyes from potential splatter. The legs of electronic components can be sharp and may spring up when cut. Eye protection is also crucial to avoid injury from these sharp flying pieces. The legs of electronic components are sharp and can cause cuts or puncture wounds if not handled carefully. Always use appropriate tools like wire cutters to trim them, and be cautious when handling components to avoid injury. The complete catalogue of STEAM instructions includes the Instruction Manual Master, Quick Start Guide and Safety Instructions, and can be accessed online by scanning the QR code on the box or by using the link below. As our instructions are provided digitally, you can choose to view them as PDFs or print them out. It's up to you to decide how you wish to use them, but we encourage you not to print them unless absolutely necessary. Since the instructions are digital, you may need to inform your IT administrator to ensure you can access them correctly. Please check this before starting the first 1 to 2 hour session, as the kit makes little to no sense without the associated instruction manual. Inside the box, there are many other boxes. The main box has all of your mechanical parts laid out, initially looking like an assembled mixer, but as you disassemble that, you'll find all of the constituent parts buried beneath it. In our smaller boxes, you'll find 2 clear sides and the 3 PCBs that you need for your build. You'll have 2 of the same kind, which are the line-in PCBs, and 1 master PCB. And finally, you have your components. You have 2 of the same kind of box for the line-in, as there are 2 line-in PCBs. Within this, you'll find all of the envelopes, including the correct amount of components, and you have your master box, again, with all of your components handily bagged up, labelled to match the instructions. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Audiotonix Steam DJ Mixer Teacher Pack. We hope this guide has provided you with all the information you need to successfully build, teach, explore and have fun with the mixer kit. Remember, safety is paramount, so always follow the guidelines and instructions provided to ensure a secure and enjoyable learning experience for everyone. If you have any further questions or need additional support, please do not hesitate to get in touch via email at support.steam@audiotonix.com. We're excited to see your students dive into the world of electronics and design technology with the Steam DJ Mixer. Happy teaching and good luck with your build. For more resources and updates, be sure to check the Audiotonix website.